All right, greetings. This is a beautiful mind, and let's take a look at this question. This question comes in. It says, evaluate tan of 30 degrees without using a calculator by using ratios and a reference triangle. So something like that, what I instantly think of is the unit circle. I think of the unit circle, and like the way I know the unit circle is as follows. I'll do this in like green. So the unit circle, like if I'm looking at quadrant 1, this is how I do the unit circle. So like if this is quadrant 1, all right? So I got my 3 tick marks. This is my 1, 0. This is my 0, 1. This is my this is like, let's back up. So this is 0 degrees. This is my 90 degrees. This is my 45 degrees. This is my 30 degrees. And this is my 60 degrees. So then you can easily convert these to radians. I just always do it in degrees. The coordinates here are 1, 0. The coordinates here are 0, 1. And then I do 3 blank ordered pairs for these other ones. Now all the denominators are 2, right? And then if you can count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, you got this filled in. So you just go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and take the square root of all the numerators. Okay, all the numerators, you take the square root. Okay, when you do that, you'll get this result. So now, and this goes cosine of theta, sine of theta, right? That's how I do the unit circle. So like for instance, cosine of 60 degrees is going to be a half. Sine of 60 degrees is going to be root 3 over 2. Cosine of 45 degrees is root 2 over 2. Sine of 45 degrees is root 2 over 2, so on and so on. So whenever I'm 30 degrees away from the x-axis in any quadrant, the cosine is root 3 by 2. And you got to fix the sine, you know, depending on what quadrant you're in. And the sine of 30 degrees is going to be 1/2. Again, y is going to be positive in quadrants 1 and 2. So, you know, you got to keep that kind of stuff in mind. So then, if I were doing tan of 30 degrees, well, for me, I know that tan is sine of 30 degrees over cosine of 30 degrees, right? So then now, with the unit circle, I know that the sine of 30 degrees is a half right there. So that's going to be 1/2 over cosine of 30 degrees, which is root 3 by 2. So then when you simplify this, you're going to get 1 over root 3, which is root 3 by 3. Okay? So it says evaluate tan of 30 degrees without a calculator by using ratios and a reference triangle. This is how I would do that. Okay? Now I think there's other techniques. They're probably talking about something different, but this is one way I know that works. Okay? So with that, we'll end the session here. And so from one beautiful mind to another.